So in this video we are going to create a simple Python project to convert the video into a audio format.
Çay mı? Dur
O zaman
fotoğrafını
fotoğrafını da
çekiyorlar.
çekeyim şu an.
Çay mı? Dur
O zaman
fotoğrafını
fotoğrafını da
çekiyorlar.
çekeyim. Şu an videosunu çekiyorum.
So let's get to a screen. So here you can see we have written a simple program in Python to convert video into audio. First line imports the movie.editor library, which is used for video editing. Next line is used to create a video clip object from the video file which we are going to upload. Next, this object represents the video file and allows you to perform various operations. Next, we have audio equals to video.audio. So this line extracts the audio track from the video file and stores it in a new audio file clip object. So the audio track represents the sound that is associated with the video. And lastly, the line represents the audio file object to an mp3 file called sample.mp3. And this will create a new mp3 file that contains the audio from the original video. Let's run the program. Here you can see the program has been successfully run. Now the audio file will be generated and we will get it in our directory. It takes little time, but it will do. Just wait. Okay, as you can see the audio file is generated, sample.mp3. Simply double click and it will download it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and follow me and subscribe on my YouTube channel.